So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally upgrading to Windows 11 from Windows 10. So first of all, we'll go to Microsoft and download the Windows 11 installation tool. It is available. It will be available to all the PCs, but it is not available in my PC. My PC is compatible, but they have not released it in India, so I will download it from here. So in this there are three options for installing and creating Windows 11 media. First, Windows 11 installation assistant. This is the best option for installing Windows 11 on the device you are currently using. Create Windows 11 installation media and download Windows 11 disk image. So you can use these three options, and if you want to make a bootable pen drive, then you can use the download Windows 11 disk image. I have to directly start. So in this, before you begin, these are the points which you must read while installing it. So I will just download the tool now. I already downloaded, so I'm not downloading now. So we'll just go here and yes. So this is the Windows 11. So let us install it. May take few moments to download. So let us see that. So now we have switched to the new Windows 11, and it has a very new look, and the taskbar and the home screen is redesigned. The search bar is also redesigned, and my version is 21H2 is built 22000.194. So this was the whole process. I'll show you the features of Windows 11 in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.